Okay, I thought I would try to demonstrate in the second part of this demonstration here on wall thickness for different car bodies and parts and things like that, how to make a singular part a solid. So what I have picked out here is the rear wheel well trim of a 1973 Grand Am that I'm working on. And so that this prints okay with the body and meshes properly, I need to make this a solid. Right now, the file has it as a single plane, but we need to make it a solid because failing to do that, you're going to lose a part in the printing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the body for the time being, hit the H key, and all I want to right now is just this part right here, just the wheel well trim. Highlight that. Hit our tab key to turn that into the edit mode. And for the time being, let's highlight all these. Hit our Alt J key to get rid of all the excess triangles and so forth. Turn it back to quads as seen here. And the thing you want to do in a case like this, and particularly how this part is designed, and to make this real fast, we're going to select a series of vertices here to make a face. Hit the F key. That makes that a solid face. And depending on which direction I want to go, if I want to go to the left, I want to go to the right. In this case, I'm going to start here to the left, so I'm going to pick two vertices here. And let's continuously just hit the F key over and over and over again. And we are going to fill in all these faces. I'm going to zoom in here just a little bit. Hit our control key, hit the mouse wheel to move it in and out. Hit the F key until you no longer see dots connecting. Okay, we got that side. And now we want to go to our right. So we're going to pick this and this. Hit our F key. Let's zoom out a little bit here. Just a little bit closer. Hit our F key continuously or just keep pressing down on it. There. Now we got an entire good solid part. Everything is closed in. So we're going to recall our body. Let's hit the tab key. Hit the Alt and the H key. Bring everything back. Now we have a nice solid wheel well trim that's definitely meshing the body because I can see it embedded. If I zoom in real close here, I can see it embedded inside the wall thickness. That's how you do that. That is how you get a solid part to go on a stay meshed on a body. So when it comes time to print, it will not be lost. Now I need to mirror this for the other side. So real quick, we're going to hit the Shift D. Okay, hit the Enter key. I want it to come on this side. Hit Object up here. Hit Mirror. Hit X Global. There we go. Now I got it mirrored for that side to be a little bit of extra insurance here. So hit our Tab key. Hit A. Hit Shift N to recalculate to normal so it doesn't turn out black in the slicer. Go back to our Tab key. We're all done. That's what I needed to do here. I'm almost in the finishing touches on getting this one done. And then eventually somewhere along the line I'll paint this. I got to think of a few more items here. I got to get the door handles on, get the front, particularly the rear bumper, straighten out the front bumper is all done. That's how the 73 Grand Am was. They had that particular type bumper that's supposed to belong on that. But I got to get a rear bumper sorted out, get that solidified. And that'll be printed as a separate object, and she'll be all set. So, hope that helps you guys out, and thanks for tuning in.